Take some ripe, ready-to-eat avocados and scoop them out into a blender. It's okay if they're squishy, that will actually be better. Next, add a whole can of coconut milk. You can use any kind, but I used light unsweetened. Here, I'm adding a dash of vanilla extract and a very generous handful of shredded coconut. Blend on high speed until it's thoroughly mixed. About 30 seconds should do. This is the light, fluffy texture you're going after. With a spatula or spoon, scoop it out into a freezer-safe container. I used a metal loaf pan and it worked out fine. It looks kind of like gelato, so I smoothed it out and garnished it. I added more coconut flakes, but you could do nuts or dark chocolate, whatever you think would be yummy. Now freeze it for about an hour. As you can see, I probably left it in too long, but it was good either way. And finally, I had to have some dark chocolate and chocolate syrup with it. There you go, avocado ice cream.